In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop scam emails in Outlook or Hotmail effectively. Dealing with scam emails can be a real annoyance and even a security risk, but with a few tweaks to your settings, you can significantly reduce their frequency and impact. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about blocking senders. This is an excellent way to prevent unwanted emails from reaching your inbox. To get started, open your Outlook, go to your settings and click on Mail, then navigate to the junk email section. Here, you'll find the option for blocked senders and domains. You can add any email address or even entire domains that you no longer wish to receive emails from. Once added, any future emails from these sources will be automatically redirected to your junk email folder. If you ever need to make changes, you can manage your list of blocked senders by adding, editing, or removing entries. An additional layer of protection involves choosing to trust only the emails from your safe senders and recipients list. This means unless an email comes from someone on this list, you can choose not to trust it. Next, we have junk mail filters. Outlook offers different filter levels: low, high, or even no automatic filtering. You can adjust these settings to control how aggressively Outlook identifies and moves spam emails to the junk email folder. In the unfortunate event that you receive a phishing email, make sure to select it and use the report feature by clicking on Report Phishing. This action not only helps you, but also assists Outlook in improving its filters, reducing the likelihood of receiving similar messages in the future. Creating rules is another powerful tool in your email management toolkit. Rules can help automate the organization of your emails. For instance, you can set up specific rules to automatically move emails containing certain words in the subject line, or from specific senders to designated folders such as junk email or deleted items. An example could be setting up a rule to move any email with "on sale now" in the subject line directly to the deleted items folder. This way, you can maintain a cleaner, more organized inbox without lifting a finger. It's also important to manage your subscriptions to further reduce unwanted emails. Head over to your settings, then to Mail, followed by Subscriptions. Here, you can unsubscribe from unwanted newsletters or promotional emails that clutter your inbox. However, be cautious when opting into subscriptions in the first place. Always review the privacy policies of websites before joining their email lists. Being mindful of where your email address is shared can help maintain your privacy and keep your inbox free from unnecessary clutter. By implementing these steps, you should see a noticeable decrease in scam emails and a more secure, organized email environment in Outlook or Hotmail. Remember, taking a proactive approach to managing your emails is crucial in protecting yourself against potential scams and phishing attempts.